Hey my friends, welcome to Driving Through Hollywood. Today we are going to go to Lake Hollywood up in the Hollywood Hills. So right now we are actually at Hollywood Boulevard. So Lake Hollywood is in the middle of Hollywood, and you would never know that it's there unless you knew that it was there. So it's got like a 3-mile hike around it. There is a hiking trail off to the right once you get there that takes you to the Hollywood sign, a great little place to get pictures and whatnot closer to the Hollywood sign up in the hills. And yeah, it's not easy to get to, so I'm going to stay mostly quiet so you can hear the street sounds and whatnot. But when we get to the actual street names, I'll let you know what those are as we go. So we're on a street right now called Argyle Avenue and Hollywood. So you can Google that, and so that's where we're starting. While we're sitting here, please do me a favor and click like on this video and subscribe to the channel, because that all helps with the algorithm. We're trying to do a thing here, so if you could do that, that would be much appreciated. So we're going to be making a left right here on Vine Street. What looks like the end of Vine Street is we're going to be making a right on Ivorine Avenue. This is Alciona Drive, making a left on Alciona. stop sign is El Contento Drive, and we are making a right on El Contento. Stop sign is Quebec Drive. We're just going to make a quick right and then a quick left. Right here, and then a quick left. This is Weed Lake Drive. We are making a left. Follow it around, just make a left. This is Weed Place, but it's really the same street. Condos off to the right are super expensive. I believe Justin Bieber lived here at one point. You basically just follow this street. We are entering the parking lot right now to the Hollywood Reservoir, Lake Hollywood. So, because you've been here this long, of course I'm going to show it to you. So, we're just going to park first. All right, let's go look at the lake. trail goes off down there to the right. And on the left here, this is where the lake is. So this is a big Hollywood reservoir. It's not used for drinking water anymore, but this is Lake Hollywood. It's pretty cool. So this bridge here, it's not really a bridge, it's actually a dam. Check it out. You see that? See all the bear heads on the front of it. It's pretty cool. All right, let's take a little walk. Just give you a better view down here. Look how beautiful it is out here. It's kind of like, this is in the middle of Hollywood. Just like in the middle. I mean, you saw what we did. Hollywood Boulevard's right down there. Check it out. Look at that. It's like the peaceful, serene place to come, like just relax your brain here in the middle of Hollywood. It's pretty cool. All right, so this is where we are. This is the Hollywood Reservoir, the Mulholland Dam. Work started August 1923. Dam was completed December 1924. 172,000 cubic yards of concrete. Elevation 749 feet. 2.5 million gallons of water. Remember to please click like on this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. Everything helps. We're trying to do a thing here. This is all about raising money for independent film. And so, yeah. Watch some more videos. And thank you for joining, and we'll see you on the next video.